Oh my goodness, bro. It be cute as hell, boy.
Y'all in your loud vehicle.
What's good, YouTube? It is your boy G1GB Nozzle back here with another video. And today, got two things, man. First off, got my boy Jakevius pulling up today in his Hellcat. Actually had his back logo fall off, sadly. But he's pulling up today. I'm gonna help him put it back on. And secondly, I want to give Low Lifestyle a big shout out for inviting McQueen to his first night meet up in Atlanta. Doing that later on today. If this is your first time seeing me on screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment. We're coming up close to 1,100 subscribers, and I'm going to keep going stupid with all the content, keep going crazy. Now, let's go. Got the black cat, man. I don't know why black growing on me, bro. I'm not a black fan, but ain't gonna count, man. Like black, man. Fits this guy, black and fuck right here, man. Oh shit, man. The black with the red do look good, though. I ain't gonna cap, man. Ooh. Yeah, my boy, ain't gonna cap, man. I did a real good job bringing the bit back to life, bro. Should I mention what happened, bro? Should I mention what happened, man? Y'all know the typical Hellcat shit. My boy went and got this shit done. I'm gonna point back to it. My boy went to the vinyl shop and got this shit done. My boy came out that bitch trying to act a little crazy and wrecked the fuck out there.
This is what happens when you lose control of a Hellcat.
I'm sorry, it was just dumb funny, bro. This right here ain't gonna get it, man.
No.
My boy just handed me this shit. Now you telling me we put his logo back on with this, they gonna stay on? No. This all you got, bruh? Bro, you be best off just gluing it on. I know you don't want to do that. Yeah, I see it, bro. Only issue is this shit gotta come off, bro. That shit gotta come off first. Smooth like a baby's ass, boy. Ain't that right, Ski? Damn, that look better.
The double tap.
Double tap? What double tap you talking about? Oh yeah, you can double tap though. Go ahead, man. Y'all see the logo, man. Oh shit. That boy like that, boy. One good burnout for you dealt, bro. One good burnout, bro. You scared. Hey, talking about he's scared to burn out, man. Fuck all that, man. Got that cat motherfucker. You better goddamn burn the shit out of this logo, man. Hey, that logo did come out right, man. I ain't gonna cap y'all, bro. Hey, he needed that logo. I ain't gonna cap. Came out pretty smooth, man. Man, better burn that rubber, my boy. Time to burn that rubber, my boy. God damn. That boy didn't even have to disrespect my road like that, man. God damn, my boy.
Out in your loud vehicle. As the spirit wasn't enough.
What you mean? You talking about I ain't wrecked the first?
I mean, come on now.
Mama hilarious, but she ain't even had to bring on her wreck. So I just pulled up to this late night meet, man, up in Atlanta, close to Marietta, man. Lowkey Lifestyle, I think that's their brand that's going on, man. I'm seeing a lot of right-hand drive vehicles, a couple Subaru GTRs, man. This is definitely not the Mopar type of party, but it's some different stuff you don't see on a typical day-to-day basis, man. So, damn. I'm gonna definitely get as much footage as I can for y'all before I goddamn freeze my goddamn ass off. But bro, it's cold as shit out this bitch, bro. Swear to God. Don't hit my ass, boy. Hold on, don't hit me, bro. Okay, you gonna go that way? Another GTR. Super, oh shit, don't hit my ass, please don't hit. Bro, cars and shit out here that, like I said, y'all don't see on a typical daily basis, man. Like I said, this ain't no goddamn, this ain't no Mopar type of party today, man. This is a regular ass tuner shit, man. Like, look at this little cute ass, this little cute ass car, man. Be cute as hell, boy. Boy. And they got this shit in the back, bro.
You like that?
This is different. I'm used to seeing cars like that.
Right.
All the Scats and all the Mopars, man. This is.
I wanted to get a Miata Power Wheel, but they started out at $20,000.
Oh, this yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this is mine. It's all me.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Gotta represent.
My boy Tag say I eat ass, man. My boy Tag says I eat ass, bro. Ah, done. Oh. Whoa.
Not right now.
Already dealt, man. It's a little cold out here,
Here
man.
you go, man.
Hey, I do see these door panels though. That's kind of tough.
I appreciate the
Damn,
entire
cap,
interior is
man.
matching.
You see the interior right quick, huh?
It's a little messy right now because, you know, kids.
Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, that's tough. I'm not even gonna lie. That's tough. It's cold out here, ain't it, my boy?
It's cold, ain't it?
It's cold out here. Yeah, I like this though. It's different, man. It's something you don't see on a day-to-day basis though, for real, for real.
Appreciate it.
For sure, for sure. God damn, my boy. Soon not did good.
Yeah, it was like 300 bucks.
I watched.
Invested in a I work at one. Yeah, technician over there. It's a pretty good discount. And that part is still $160. It's not a cheap part.
It's your whip? It's your car?
Yeah, it's mine.
What you got to it, man? I need to see something, man. I think it sounded like you had a cam in on it. It's cam?
Yeah. Stage 3 cam in it.
I like it, man. You know, this is my type of speed, man. I like all the Mopars, the muscle. Even though I drive an Infinity, but I like the muscle cars and all the, you know, Mopars of the world, man.
That's my gas drinking daily driver.
Daily? How many horses you pushing?
Probably between 280, 290 wheel. It's not really that much.
Not that much.
But
But it's cam.
it's cammed, it's fun car. It ain't the slowest thing in the world.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. I got you, man.
It's one of those fun
Yeah, it sounded, when I pulled up, I remember what it sounded like. It sounded pretty good, though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
And that's what I went for.
Yeah, for
It
sure.
sound good. If I could ever actually make more money, then I'd love to put a turbo or a damn supercharger on it, but
Hey.
until then, you know.
Go for it, mama, man. Not gonna lie, that sound like the goddamn high school marching band just did, though. Not gonna lie. Oh yeah. Oh, this motherfucker gotta be pushing some shit, bro. Oh, don't hit me, my boy. Oh my god, I think he got supercharged. I know y'all seen that intercooler. Oh, another little cute ass car, man. All these little cute motherfuckers out this bitch, bro. Hey, that bit tough. This is tough right here, though. That bit quiet as hell, though. Excuse me, my boy. You gotta pop that hood, my boy. I gotta see it. I gotta see it.
I got you, man.
I gotta see it.
I understand.
I gotta see it ASAPs. Sound like you're doing some shit back there, man.
It's got a little alternator in there.
Shit, my boy. Woo. I know y'all cool. Cold Charger. My God. God damn, fam. God damn, my boy. Hey, you sound like a jet, boy.
That's the plan.
You sound just like a jet, bro. That motherfucker say angry 5-0. That motherfucker do sound angry, though. Yeah, he might be. He pushing some shit, man. He ain't gonna cap. Damn. Got another motherfucker that sound like a goddamn jet, bro. One time for the one time? I like it. That's just enough. It's not too much, and it ain't too quiet. It's just enough,
It's
bro.
not crazy, but it's not quiet.
Yeah, it's just enough, bro. How many horses? What the horses looking like?
A little more than 7.
7?
A little more.
So I know you smoking a Hellcat. It's 10 speed, right?
Nah, 6.
Oh.
Yeah.
Shoulda had the 10 speed, my boy.
I was a little too early.
Oh, okay, I got you. I know you still pushing something though.
It'll go. But yeah, mod for mod, a 10 speed would definitely take me.
Oh yeah, for sure. Them 10 speed moving, boy.
Yeah.
10 speed moving. It's a big difference from a down 6 to a 10 speed, boy. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, little fin. Okay, I see you, my boy. I see you, fin. Mine don't do that. Mine don't do that. Damn, I feel. Damn, mine don't do that. Oh shit, my boy. Damn, that motherfucker sound good down there.
Just had that car for about a year and a half now.
I know they was I really want to see it. Motherfucking Hellcat, boy. Oh, that's cute. That's what I really want to see, don't it? Y'all want to see some Hellcats. Y'all want to see some Mopars. Which I really want to see. Yeah, that BMW is hard as a motherfucker. Oh, my boy, that how you feel? Okay, my boy. If you guys really enjoyed the video, that is going to do all for this one. Couldn't really get too much footage as I want to. I got there kind of late. Most of the good cars are already gone. Hey, yo, also, y'all make sure y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the video. New videos are on the way. Big event coming up this weekend, man. Y'all stay tuned for that. But until next time, man, y'all stay safe out here. Bless up.
SRT_6LADE. SRT_blade. I don't really like that. You gonna edit all that, ain't you?
What?
All of it.
I can edit out, bro. Yeah.
Go follow your boy. What the? Get your ass off my car. I tried to turn it around. Bro, they be tearing my car up, bro. They be shitting on it like crazy. SRT_blade, that be. I don't like how I said that either. Hey, just go follow your boy, SRT_blade. I don't like that one.